Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do some basic video editing using the Razor and selection tools in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now both these tools are very simple and they're great for beginners. It's probably the simplest thing you can do. So you'll see here I've got two video clips on my timeline. And as I scrub through, you can see it's over 30 seconds long and I need to edit them. So first, let's use the selection tool. So we've got here a blue line. This is the playhead and I can move this along. So I'm clicking, holding and dragging to scrub through the clip. Alternatively, I can click anywhere on this top grey bar to move along. But I'm going to start from here, click, hold and drag. And let's see where I want to start this clip. So I think I'll start it here. So with the clip selected, I need to use the selection tool. The selection tool actually is the default highlighted used thing when we open Premiere Pro. But if for some reason it isn't, you can simply click up here on this arrow or you can hit the V key. So the V key, I'm now using the selection tool. Go to the end of the clip, and as I hover at the edge of the clip, my cursor turns to a red trim icon, and if I click and hold, you'll see the edge of the clip has turned red. So I'm clicking, I'm holding, and I simply drag to this blue line, the playhead, to make my edit. Now the reason that's so easy to do, it's not because I've got amazing finger, mouse, eye coordination skills. It's because Snap is turned on, and Snap is up here. If I turn it off, it's actually really hard to precisely line up on the blue line. Whereas with Snap on, the tool is basically designed just to make it easy to snap to the playhead. So done. Much easier. There's edit one made. So I scrub on through, and let's say here is where I want the shot to end. Same thing applies. Go to the edge of the clip, wait for it to highlight the icon to turn red, click, hold and bring along. First clip edited. Over to the second clip and let's take a look at the Razor tool. So similar thing, I scrub through with the playhead and I think yes, I should get it to start here. The Razor tool is over here in the panel, or you can tap C. So C has changed the icon to a Razor tool icon. You can see it's got a red line through it until you hover it over a clip. I click once and you can see it split the clip into two. Scrub along to where we want the clip to end. This looks good. Hover over, click. Same things happen. Now we have three pieces of footage. What we want in the middle, what we don't want on the edges. So return to the selection tool or tap V, then simply click and hit delete on the clips you do not want. So I've got two clips that I'm happy with on my timeline, but I've now got these huge gaps which I don't want. I could click, hold and drag all the way to the end. Or if you've got a large gap in here, you can right click and ripple delete and bring the two together really quickly. Now with the Razor tool, if you wanted to take it a little more complex, there's a couple of other things you can do. So let's say actually on reflection, I want to cut it here. So I do that. I can click there like that. Or if I undo this, I can also, wherever the playhead is, I can hold Control K or Option K if it's a Mac and make a Razor cut anyhow. So this bit here I want to get rid of, but I also want this clip to play after this one, so I need to get rid of the gap. But to do it quicker and to sort of speed up your productivity, if you click on the clip you want to get rid of and you hold Shift and hit delete, you'll see it automatically got rid of the clip and ripple deleted at the same time, closing the gap. So let's just see that again. Actually, I changed my mind. I want it to be done here. So Control K does a cut as if we were doing it with the Razor tool. Click on the clip I don't want, Shift delete, and you see it shrunk everything down, making everything shorter. which is a great way to speed up your editing. So that is a quick tutorial on how to use the selection and the Razor Edit tool to edit and trim clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Please subscribe if you've got any questions or you need to know anything else. Don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you.